আপুনি ইয়াত
আজি যিটো মেৰাভেটিৰ আমাৰ লক্ষীমন মন্দিৰ তাত নিমন্ত্ৰণ মোক দিছিলে আৰু আজি মই ইয়াত আহি খুব আনন্দিত। ইয়াত মই বিধায়ক হোৱাৰ পিছৰ পৰা মন্দিৰৰ কাৰণে বহুখিনি ফাণ্ড অসম চৰকাৰৰ পৰা আনি দিছোঁ। তাতে অসম দৰ্শনৰ 3টা স্কিম ইয়াত দিয়া হৈছে আৰু MLA LED ফাণ্ডৰ পৰাও মই এটা অপেন ষ্টেজ বনাই দিছোঁ। আজি তেখেতসকলে নিমন্ত্ৰণ দিলে এই অপেন ষ্টেজটো ইনগ্ৰেট কৰিবলৈ কাৰণে, আৰু ইনগ্ৰেট কৰিলেও তেখেতসকলে যি মৰম, ঘৰৰ পৰা তেখেতসকলে যি চব্জি, যি ফল মূল, শাক পাচলি, তাৰপিছতে তেখেতসকলৰ চাউল, এই সকলোবিলাক বস্তু যি আজি মোক দি পেলাই, সেইটো আমাৰ যিটো ট্ৰাইবেল মানুহৰ ট্ৰেডিশ্যনেলি এইবিলাক আমি এক্সচেঞ্জ কৰি আগতে চলিছিলোঁ, যে মোৰ ঘৰত নাথাকাটো বেলেগৰ পৰা আনো, মোৰ ঘৰত থকাটো বেলেগক দিওঁ। আজি সেইটো কথাটো মোৰ মনত পৰি গ'ল। আজি হেমফু লক্ষীমনৰ আশীৰ্বাদ লৈ ইয়াতে লক্ষীমন ধৰ্মাৱলম্বী লোকসকলে যি ধৰণেৰে মোক নিমন্ত্ৰণ দি মৰম দিলে, তাৰ কাৰণে মই চিৰ কৃতজ্ঞ হৈ থাকিম। I am always indebted to them for this wonderful hospitality and reception. So today I have inaugurated one open stage from the MLA LED fund, and this temple is particularly blessed by the Assam government with Assam Darshan. So I am very happy today, the day-long program in Chokihula under Nilip constituency with Honorable local MSC Pavitra Rongpi. So this is one of the example of BJP government and Narendra Modi's Viksit Bharat. So slowly we are trying to develop our each and every corner of my constituency, and so far more than 40% development I have done. So within this 9.5 years, I believe that next 5 years 60-70% work will be completed from this constituency. And I am very lucky that 7 central school, few of them was residential school sanctioned, few of them are open already, and one Sainik school, this is the second Sainik school in the Northeast region, is sanctioned in my constituency. So I am very lucky, and it will be a very productive for the people of Bukajan LSC. For the future generation, I am giving so many things. Particularly, I give more stress in education, health, and communication. These 3 sector, I feel that I am successful. And network coverage also, now 60-70% network coverage is done already, and rest of the 30% I am trying hard that every corner of my constituency is connected with the internet, so that modern technology, modern equipment, modern theory, modern development, every people can have the taste of this development. So Narendra Modi ji says, "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas." So I urge the people of Bukajan LSC to work together. Don't sit down, don't wait, and whatever you are, whatever resources you have, you develop. So many self-help group, the people, they meet me for their help. So most of them, I am helping them to start entrepreneurship from the government side also. From my salary also, I am helping them so that they can earn and improve their livelihood. So this is my dream, to take along the poor people of my constituency. So very innocent people. Most of the time, they are looted by the dirty politicians. So I am strongly against those process, and I am trying to clean this Bukajan LSC with my maximum capacity and the political power. So I will, in future also, I will work for these poor people so that I can give a direction to them and for their welfare.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.